You are there, Cultus Crick News at 6. Today, old farm tractors of the McCormick Armstrong vintage were lined up along the driveways along North Road in respect to one of their own. Former German Chancellor Helmut Schuuler came to town to commemorate a memorial to popular children's author Bernie Armstrong. The memorial was set up in King Lake Cathedral, where a special nave has been named in Bernie Armstrong's honor. Bernie Armstrong was a member of the rich Armstrong family, which once held a post in the Governor General's seat. The Armstrongs also had paired with the McCormick family to produce the McCormick Armstrong tractor. Bernie Armstrong is best known for his stories about the flying ship with the dragons and the children aboard. He'll be long fondly remembered by children of all ages.